Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Belinda, and our vlog for today is letting my FB friends control my day. And yes, let's go. Ang first natin. Oh, okay. Change clothes morning daw. Morning, afternoon, and evening using based on hair emojis. So let's go. Let's do this. Here's my outfit for Gigi Manlux. And here's my outfit for Gigi Manlux. But yes, it says color black, but I don't have any black, no? So I have red. I'm here sa tindahan and let's continue the next one is My Day the Words Laban Nursing Students. So let's go. This one. Hi. It's okay. So let's go. Share now. And the next one is actually the second one was repeat yourself the way we did to our classmate before, pranking your mom, which is just like no. Mom, nikaon na ka. Mom, nikaon na ka. Mom, nikaon na ka. Just like that. And I think maybe later. And our... Oh yes, maybe right now. Wait. Sama? Unsama? Wala siya ba? Maybe nasa taas yet. Okay, let's go. Unsama? No one was answering me. There's no one right here. Unsama? Unsama? Okay, no one was answering. Okay, bahala pa. Hoy. He told me or asked me to put foods on my lola. So that's why I'm repeating lagi kay that's the deal. But also dapat first we need to fill this up, no? Wait. So naanan ako ang foods, no? Ni grandma. And also dapat i-repeat na to, no? Sige, prank mo ni siya. Unsama? No one was answering, Jud. Unsama? Huwag ka kadungog, unsa? Usay pokare. I hope nakadungog mo. Unsay sukarap? LTV. Ha? Ha? Kare ba? Unsay kare?
Ha?
Unsay kare?
Sukaran.
Oh.
Masa si Digdig? Masa si Digdig?
Asa man plato ni Lola?
Ah.
And our next challenge was draw my main character Yuri Osaka. So let's go. But before that is we need to drink, yes, this one, green tea. I do this every after meal, like 1 hour. Yeah. Sorry sa cab na ko guys, kay nabuak siya. Yes, that's why it's gonna like this. Oh. Nabuak siya. So we need to find this one so makadraw ta no. Na ako ani pag gabi but unfortunately gingat-ngat sa among iraw. Oh, so this is my reference now. So far guys, naman na dyan ako ang drawing mo.
Init na pala.
And also naman po ang ako ang green tea. Na.
Ito na naman
Medyo
po
chubby
ang
lang siya,
ko,
no?
Si Daddy Frankie. Maghahanap na naman po tayo.
Yes.
Mga kababayan na may mabuti.
So our next challenge is, in your imagination, draw the face of Abraham, the father of faith, and also describe my personality in one word. So, magdo-drawing ulit tayo. Let's go! Since imagination lang siya, so, okay. Wala tayong reference kasi imagination lang. So, pray for me. Guys, this is the
May mabuti kalooban.
of an art of Abraham of faith. So sorry kung na tiwas no. I'm not really good into arts yet, but I did my best. Second one is described. Actually, this is my cousin. So, in one word, I can say he is religious. The next one was eat calamansi and try not to make a face. So here's the wash na niya calamansi, and let's try. Yes. I love calamansi, so don't me. Huh? This was my diet era na. I'm sorry. We had to do that now. Wala na. So yes, that's it. And the next one is, our next challenge is Record yourself doing a fake product commercial like Walis Tambo. So, let me think of that. Maybe, but okay, yes, let's go. What happened, viewers? I know. Hugo, right? Hugo will fade to me. Grabe na to! Gotcha. Grabe na to. Kalat sa floor, kalat sa sulok, kalat everywhere. But wait, I'm not gonna let this win. But guess what? I have Walis Tambo, the certified kalat fighter. Available now sa Suking Sari Sari store. Remember, kalat may try, but Walis will fade back. So far, ang next unta na to nga challenge kay mo eat daw og balot, but so far I asked my mom and dad and they say nga bawal di ay nako because I have something like a serious one. And our next challenge is eating red food. So nagpapalit na ako papa og kamatis and apple. So let's go. So far, we are on a diet. So, kanilang sa ato ang breakfast. Never mind of my background. Huh? First of all, I want to say thank you to all my friends who is controlling my day right now. And before we start our next challenge, first mag-shoutout muna tayo. But first name only for privacy, no? Because mga friends ko lang to sa BFBA, privacy for them. Divine, I know dalawang Divine, no? Pero yung isa. Divine, shout out to Divine. Janice, Gerald, Janica, Luke, Kuya Norman, Ivan, Darlene, and Ate Jezabel. So thank you to all for cooperating this vlog. Yun, gagawa tayo ng ice cream homemade. So let's go. Balit lang kasi mawala sa akin. Let's go. So, dito natin ilalagay sa maliit na bote. Ano siya, lagayan siya ng peanut butter, no? And of course, ito yung magsisilbing gatas. Ilagay muna natin sa baso para ma-dissolve. Pour 1 sachet of milk. So, here lang sa atas sa spoon. Actually, I made this before, but using a non-fat milk na gibutang sa cartoon. And also, before, nakamake og ice cream using cream densada. Condense. Let's crush. Next one is try to do a drug makeup. So I didn't have much any makeup, no, so please bear with me. Let's go. So
Bigyan mo lang ako kahit maliit na negosyo.
Gamay ra jud ko
Every
make up
person
guys.
na
Just
lalapit
like
sa
this,
akin,
no?
hihingi ng pagkain.
So can say mo
Basta't
donate,
karapat-dapat,
willing ko mo
hindi
dawat.
ko
Ay,
iintindihan.
that's why. Audition.
Province mo na eh. Tacloban. Mga kapatid mo na eh, kumusta na po? Nagkakausap pa kayo? May cellphone ka na eh? Oh, ang galing.
Here is my finish. Hindi siya makita, no?
Binibilang ni nanay.
Light raman good. Sorry.
Baka lugi si nanay.
Our next step is, since it's noon, we gotta change our outfit into the cutesy one. Let's go. Same down. Basically, night outfit man dai ni siya, no? Kaya it's a dress, and the second one, which is known is about a cutesy, but I have a cutesy here, but I think we can change that little bit na. So yes, that's mo na ato ang suloton tonight. Oh yes, let's go. So this is my outfit for tonight. Sorry if I'm sweet. The next one was calling my best friend and sing a happy birthday even though dili pa niya birthday. Let's go. Wala. Mga offline so wala siya. Let's go to another one. Hi ga. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ha? Ay, layo pa dahil. Ah. Ha? Wala man. Wala ra. Abi na birthday nimo. Ha? Oo. Pero pwede o Sara? Kay may blood ta. Sige, bye. Success. Success. Thank you for watching even though I'm sweating right here. Yes. Thank you for watching, guys. So guys, let's try our just make ganihan. No? Medyo blurred lang siya. Sarap niya. Or masarap siya.